Hey everyone, welcome back to Protovenix, your SystemVerilog learning partner. In this lesson, we'll explore user-defined data types and enumerations in SystemVerilog. These features make your code more readable, reusable, and easier to maintain. In SystemVerilog, we can create our own data types using the keyword Typedef. It's one of the most useful extensions beyond traditional Verilog. This statement defines meint as another name for the built-in type int. So instead of repeatedly writing long data type names, we use a simple alias, like meint. It's especially helpful when defining complex types, like arrays, structures, or enums. You can even typedef a struct for reuse across multiple modules. Here, student_t becomes a reusable type for student records, simple and elegant. Next up, enumerations, also known as enums. Enums let us define a set of named constants, which are automatically assigned integer values. They make state machines, configurations, and symbolic coding much clearer. Here, color is an enumerated variable that can take one of the values, red, green, or blue. By default, these represent integers 0, 1, and 2 respectively. You can also assign your own values to the names. And yes, we can typedef enums too. This is perfect for representing states in your design, clean and self-explanatory. So, to summarize, typedef lets us create our own type names for better readability. Enum defines named constants, great for states and control logic. Together, they make your SystemVerilog code more organized, modular, and professional. Thanks for watching this episode of the Protovenix SystemVerilog series. Keep learning, keep building, and don't forget to follow for more.